Hey everyone, it's Bradley with Flooring Inc., and I'm back to talk to you about carpet innovations for the last installment of our flooring innovation series. Everyone knows what carpet is. It's one of the top-selling flooring options in the industry. But what has kept carpet at the top of its game? While it's soft and cozy, back in the day, carpet also had a reputation of being high maintenance. Any spills or dirt had to be cleaned up immediately, and sometimes life happens, so we can't clean up messes right away. That's why carpet manufacturers created a carpet that was not only cozy, but also ready for whatever life throws at it. With new installation technology, life-proof features, and a variety of styles, carpet can finally be the flooring you've always wanted. Let's find out how. In the past, carpet was tricky to install without the help of a professional. Also, it could never be installed outside. Now, some carpets come loaded with innovations to make them durable, cozy, and easy to maintain. Let's take a closer look at the top 4 ways carpet is changing the game. A more durable construction also allows you to install carpet outside for your deck or patio. Plus, outdoor carpet is fade resistant, so the sun's harsh rays won't affect the beauty of your carpet. Many carpet fibers now come with a water and stain resistant coating to protect your carpet from mold and mildew and help with cleaning up after spills, kids, and pets. You can have carpets in many forms. Carpet tiles and planks allow you to have a unique flooring that is easy to customize. You can mix and match colors and even create a unique look with different patterns and styles. If you're worried about buying carpet padding too, don't stress. A selection of carpet rolls, tiles, and planks come with padding already attached. So all you have to worry about is which room to install it in. One of the most important details of any flooring is how it's installed. With carpet, you now have a few options. Interlocking carpet tiles are like big puzzle pieces that you can press together with ease. With peel and stick, all you have to do is pull back the plastic sheet to expose the adhesive backing. Place the tile or plank and press down to adhere it to the floor. Or there's glue-free. Instead of applying adhesive to the entire carpet, simply apply double-sided carpet tape to the edges so your carpet will lay flat and stay in place. Aren't these upgrades amazing? To make sure we have all the facts, I invited Will Henderson from Foss Floors. He's here to answer a few questions about what is setting carpet apart from other flooring in the industry.
So the biggest change in carpet from the past decade or so has been a transition mainly from nylon and some fibers like that to more PETs. The other part that we've seen a big growth in, based on our business, is the DIY flooring options now that didn't used to exist 10 years ago. Well, I think carpet is still that comfortable flooring option. Not everybody wants, something hard and cold under their feet. Carpet gives them that soft landing. I've got small children, so the soft landing's a big thing. So our carpet tiles, actually have one. Hopefully the crinkle's not too loud here. It's simply it's a peel and stick. So you can peel it. Pretty much sticks to any clean, dry surface, including low pile carpet. These can also be installed outside because of the fact that it's a pressure sensitive adhesive. You just peel it, stick it, put a little bit of pressure on, and it'll stay stuck. The biggest thing is this right here. This is our raw material. We use post-consumer drinking bottles for all of our fiber. The other cool thing about our process is we're actually able to take any of our edge waste or seconds and put them back into the product. So we really have basically zero waste when it comes to any kind of carpet fiber.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button to catch more videos of our flooring innovation series, or check out our website at flooringinc.com.